outfit of the day.
Huh?
I forgot where I got this from. Shoes. Good morning. We are up at Adams. We didn't record us actually getting up and stuff. But it's not there yet and me and I tried to go get
just messing it up.
we're currently at Cafe House. K-A-F-F-E-H-H-U-S. They don't spell it the same as the regular house, that's why. But yeah, so we heard they have some nice stuff. We're in Old San Juan, by the way, so after this, it's breakfast. It's 10:13 right now. I'm about to have Mexico in Puerto Rico. So we're about to eat, we'll come back and show you our food. So basically what we have planned today is just be in here, go around San Juan a little bit, probably go to the beach, put our feet in the water. And then we got dinner reservations at 5. So we'll come back when our food gets here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, enjoy.
So I have a mimosa, I have the regular orange juice, and Babe is trying the passion fruit mimosa. And then I also had to try their coffee because I heard Puerto Rico got some good coffee, so I wanted to definitely try that. Y'all, this water here, we were tasting it and we were like, something don't taste right. It tastes like it's from a plant, but they actually put mint and lemon juice to infuse it inside of the water. But take a little sip. It's not nasty. It's just very minty and planty. But this is just some ooh, sugar, and it looks weird. It looks like sea salt. But I'm gonna try it. So I'm about to try this. See how I like it. I don't like it at all right now. Yeah. I need another spoon. It's very creamy. Gotta get to the. Now I'm getting some juice. The coffee. It do have a different taste. I said it does have a different taste. I really want to try it. I'm not here for the coffee. What I am here for is drinking almost like strong. I got that bug. Okay, got a bacon omelet, some bread, and some potatoes, orange mimosa, passion fruit. Maybe we got chicken and waffles, and that's scrambled eggs. So we just got done eating. Now we are about to walk the streets of Old San Juan. Look at these small roads, y'all. It's really a one-way.
You can catch a little flip.
Oh, these things good. Wait, you gonna fly?
They don't listen.
These things is close. Like, you know, usually birds don't like to get that close to you, but like, I could pet that bird if I had wanted to just now.
Could have what?
Pet it if I had wanted to.
I think it's gonna bite you. Alright, so we are going to, where we going back? Foot Locker. We're going to Foot Locker to see about some shoes that she wanted.
Some Air Forces, because a lot of stores in freaking South Carolina don't have don't have none in stock really. So let's see if I can get some shoes from Puerto Rico. We ain't got no place. Oh, in your suitcase maybe. I'm gonna have to take them out the box. I'm not, you know, you're carrying them. Let's see.
If they had them once. Boy, that'd be crazy if they got them.
Hello. Okay, I can ask you before we. Do y'all have any Air Force Ones? Low top? I mean low.
All way?
Uh-huh.
What size?
A 7?
You got only 12 or 13 for me.
Oh. Okay, so we are waiting on our Uber to go to the beach. It's hot as heck, but we walked around a lot. We didn't really go in no places but Starbucks. We both got the pink drink. I already drank it all. Oh, we both already drank it. Yeah, I'm gonna insert a clip. My boyfriend just held the iguana. You need some hand sanitizer, by the way.
I do.
Oh, y'all, these hills here. Look at this. We're trying to get up there, though. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Can't see that.
Whew, let's get off while we can. These hills are something else. My camera going dead, so I'm gonna have to record on my phone soon. We was about to go to the beach, but we're gonna go up here first and then go to the beach afterwards. Because we're not coming back to Old San Juan probably. So, whew. Woo, my calves, I feel it. Look at the beach. We're gonna go up there. So yeah, we're at the National Historic Site. I don't know if y'all can see it. San Juan National Historic Site. Woo. We just left the beautiful, well, you can see the beautiful beach from here.
Oh.
Was it? So hot.
It is.
Oh, now it's hot.
Huh?
I said, oh, now it's hot.
Getting close to the sun.
So we're back in the Uber finally. We have some movies. Going to the beach. For a little TT. Well, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1:30 now. Probably need to, probably be out there for an hour to 2:30. Back to our hotel by 3:30 at the latest. So we can get ready for dinner at 5. Dinner's at 5, so we have to get dressed and stuff and then be out and at the hotel, at the restaurant by 5, so. Strawberry smoothie. You gotta.
Mango and pineapple.
He said it's not good.
At all.
Mine is good, but it's not really smoothie. It's like a drink now.
So yeah, we're at the beach. Living it up. Living it up. Just getting our feet wet. Ain't too much going on. Water didn't cool down unless we used to it, because it ain't that cold.
Once you get in, it don't. That's why they in there. Turn around. Still sipping. I'm done.
2 miles away. Huh? Dark.
Y'all, look at Walmart. Have a whole escalator in here. And an elevator. Right now, we came to Walmart because I need some foundation. So we're looking for the home and beauty. Let's ask this guy. Search up to see Singer. You go, girl. So yeah, we have done eating. I showed y'all our food. I don't know if I showed y'all our outfits though. This is baby. Drip from head to toe. Alexander's. My drip.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, sir.
It's hurting my feet though. So we finished dinner like an hour ago, really. We was out here taking pictures. And now we're waiting on an Uber to get back to our hotel. We were supposed to go to the freaking pool tonight, but they close at 8. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7:09 now. I don't know if y'all was able to see that. Yeah. It's 7:09 now. So we'll probably get to our hotel at 7:20 something. Because we gotta wait on our Uber and then get there. So we probably won't go to the pool tonight. So we're gonna go home, get changed or whatever, and then go school to driving. So whatever we're doing, I'll update y'all once we get back to the hotel. Or once we out doing it probably. Good morning guys. So we are headed back up to the hotel room. Just ate breakfast. I'll insert that here. It was so good. I'm full. That thing got me real full. Good thing we got time to digest and we not like gonna be cramping and stuff. Well, hopefully I ain't even getting in the water. That's my goal. But we about to get in here and get dressed. You got your key? About to get in here and get dressed because I'm about to go jet skiing. Yeah, this vlogging stuff is like it's like hard because can't really vlog in cars, can't really vlog where we are because because of the simple fact that music, everybody be playing music, like, and loud music. These restaurants usually in the States, they be playing like subtle, you know, you can hear it, but you can hear it enough to groove to it, but you know, it don't be blasting. These places be having music blasting like you at the club in a restaurant. For the first time. It is so good. Please don't mind my wig coming up a little bit. We was on the jet skis. I'm gonna lay it when we get back. It's so good. This chicken, I think I said. I wanted seafood. Can you put my skirt on? Because I thought it was gonna be crab in it, but she said octopus. And that threw me way off, so. Chicken it is. Yeah, it's so good. Now we're walking. About 18 minutes away. But hopefully we walk. We gotta drive anyway. Walking to a rooftop bar. Walking to the rooftop bar. Just get some drinks and relax a little bit. So just chill for a little bit, and then hopefully we get a call. We're supposed to get a call within the next 30 minutes maybe to tell us if we're gonna do the jet skis. I mean, if we're gonna do parasailing or not, because it's not windy. It's not enough wind to go up in the sky right now. So of course we want to be safe. So they're gonna see. Our reservations at 2 is what time is it? It's 12:30 now, so I'm trying to see if we can do it. Yeah, jet skis is really fun. I was kind of scared because I didn't want to fall off. Somebody's hand started hurting. Yeah. So he got on the back of my eyes at the end, but we had our own. It was crazy because my hand wasn't hurting on these. My hand was hurting on them ATVs though. So yeah, y'all. Just walking to Miss Rooftop. That's the name of it. So I'm gonna enjoy this. And I get what y'all when we get there because I'm already tired. Hey y'all, so it's been a minute. It's now like what, 6:15 or something like that. 6:17. We took like a 2-hour nap. We had need a pep. We had need a nap. Like we've been up super early, and in the sun at that. So now we're up in our black and whites. Trying to find. I'm in my bathing suit. Well, we both in our bathing suits because we plan to go to the pool. Trying to find us some scooters right now so we can ride a little bit just to have the experience. Ride for a little bit, and then we really need to be back at the pool by 7 or like 7:15, 7:30. I'm sure we don't want to be in that long anyway. So, and then after the pool, we go back downstairs. Well, we gotta change, but go downstairs and eat something. Sitting off the night because y'all, we leave early. We leave at 6:45, but we board at 5:45, 5 hours earlier. So we gotta leave here. We're like 15-20 minutes away from the airport. So we are leaving the pool. It's cold already. Got in for like 20 minutes, if that, maybe. Just to experience the pool. I'm hungry now, so we're gonna go shower and hurry back downstairs so we can get some dinner. Or some, it's not really like heavy food, but so yeah, that's the dealio. I just want to check in with y'all. I didn't check in with y'all when we was in the pool. My hands are wet. So somebody drank their drink and mine. Oh my goodness. Good morning. So we are up and Adam. It's 3:45. So but yeah, so we're about to head downstairs to wait on our taxi for the airport. Tear. Sad, but we gotta get home to our baby. We had a good time though. Amazing time. Can't wait for our next trip. So yeah, we are back checking in our bags. We was up there, but they tried to charge us an extra $100 because our bag was 7 pounds overweight. So we just went and bought us another little carry-on bag, and it went down to 3 pounds overweight. So hopefully the next person let us through because anybody got time for that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And the next stop is TSA. We have made it through TSA. Finally. Well, it didn't take long. It's made it on the flight.
Se pueden colocar pequeños objetos livianos en el bolsillo del asiento. Si necesita ayuda, no dude en llamarnos. El vuelo de hoy se ofrece entretenimiento gratuito. Conéctese a nuestro servicio de...
Headed to take baggage claim. I slept the whole ride. It was a 4-hour flight, 3 hours and 3 minutes or something. So we are in the car now. Whoop, whoop, we made it. I guess I'll drive since I slept the whole plane ride, right? I'm just trying to get up out of her, and find something to eat outside of the airport.